Dr. Choll came here from sunny San Diego, California. Starting our second case. We have everything in here but the kitchen sink. This is a 61-year-old pastor. So we have to do a good job, otherwise we may basically go to hell. He's had previous laminectomies in the past, but he has recurrent symptoms if you look closely. He's got a spondylolisthesis at 4-5. If you look at the MRI, he's got severe stenosis at 3-4. He's had surgery there before. That's 2-3. That's the level that doesn't need surgery. Just demonstrate how wide open the canal is. Look at all that room for the nerves. And then here, look how tight that is. It's tiny. Same thing at 4-5. And then at 5-1, there's neuroforaminal stenosis right here. So we're going to do a minimally invasive hemilaminectomy at 3-4, an MIS TLIF at 4-5, and an MIS TLIF at 5-1 on the left side so that we can thoroughly decompress that neuroforamen because there's a vertical stenosis in there, so we have to elevate that space up. And if all goes according to plan, he'll still be able to go home tomorrow after lunch. And this is an afternoon case. I think that's awesome, and we're all hoping for a great result. Okay, we're getting started. We call this cheating with nav because I feel like a total cheater. Like it's not fair that I have a view of the entire spine without even making a skin incision. And it's just not fair, but just like my mama always said, if you don't cheat every once in a while, you ain't trying hard enough. But that's just my mama. Alright, if anybody is wondering why navigation's awesome, this bone is so friggin' hard because A, he's got really good bone, and B, he's been operated on before. But putting in a jam sheeting needle down this slope and making it go inside the pedicle, unless you are some kind of crazy savant, that is how you put in a screw laterally with the jam sheeting needle. Oh yes, God, your bone is strong. Usually I'm very happy and supportive, but it's so strong, I think I'm going to get a hand cramp. Oh, here it is, the sexiest cage alive right here. You're getting sleepy. You're getting sleepy. You're going to get better when you wake up and taller. Goes in small and then it gets big inside the disc space. Anything? Oh, I like that long old time. Okay, come on in.
All right.
That is super sexy, man. No one does it like you. Doesn't have that flair. Lower machine as low as it'll go. Bottom it out. We're going to bottom the bed out. Yep. Look at that 15. That's like the 10 to 17, right?
Yeah.
Are you sure this is 10 to 17?
What you asked for?
Okay, good. Because I was always like, the 10 to 17 doesn't look as lordotic as the 7 to 14, but
there you go.
I take back what I just said.
There you go.
It's almost 2.
That's what you wanted anterior. You have it perfect.
I know, but see, there's a little mismatch, the angle mismatch. It's too lordotic relative to the disc space. The future is the disc that will get like just perfect.
Yeah.
But until then, this is the sexiest cage alive. I'm sorry.
So, how are we doing on spinning?
It's barely giving me resistance, so I'm sorry, even though you want me to stop. I can't do it. Oh, that looks so good. Oh my God, I could lift him off the table with that. I can't help myself. Because greed be a powerful force.
It's right here. Next year.
Do not want to hit it out the front. Go ahead. Okay. Another. Let me see a shot. Oh yes, another perfect cage. I think so.
Oh yeah, it's moving.
Oh yes, you're going to be so much taller. This is the nadir shuffle. This is how I make sure that the bone's moving as I expand the cage. It just goes back and forth. That's the Nader shuffle, and there's Nader right there. La 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 la.
Bonjour.
Hello. Oh, I think I'm reaching it. Yes.